on the way to Muscoda for the festival in 2023. Guess what we're eating? Breakfast is here. The one and only steak and egg bagel. My driving companion, he's also having a steak and egg bagel. This is Greg.
But I got hash browns.
And he puts heinous cheese on his bagel. I do not recommend it, but to each their own. Time to eat. Join me today. They cook morels up in Muscoda and they sell them. It's gonna be fun. Living large. Living large. Here we are on our first stop on the road to Muscoda, Peck's Market. It's a farmer's market that is known for selling morel mushrooms. World's giant corn! Look at these gourds.
They got pitted cherries with no sugar over there. I picked up one.
Cool.
So,
Yeah, the brandy
not
peaches
the
are good.
regular pitted cherries.
Those cookies are so cute.
Well, I didn't even look at them. Even though I feel it, I'm going to Muscoda all day long! Woohoo! Wisconsin, capital of Morel Mushrooms, 2023. I'm from Muscoda, Wisconsin, capital of Morel Mushrooms, 2023. $15 a cup. This gets me a cup of morel mushrooms, sauteed in butter. 15 bucks.
You got time to look all right? Oh, yes, you do.
The butter looks yummy.
You don't have to. You want yours from a blue claw or a brown claw?
Whatever you want to give me. I think you're just trouble any way you spell it, so. Ooh, yummy. Ow, hot.
Ow, ow, ow. That's okay.
technique. You gotta hold the edge.
I see.
I want some spices on I'm offering at Muscoda this year.
9.8.
9.8, you heard it here. I'm about to try. Hold this for me, Greg. Morels all day long, baby.
Okay, now that is a handy little deal. What is that?
This is my GoPro. We are at 𝐌𝐔𝐒𝐇𝐑𝐎𝐻 Winery, where Marquette, one of the best red wines I've ever tasted, made in Wisconsin. I'm about to take a sip. This year? Oh yeah. It's really good with Morels. Yes, I will have a bottle. It's on. When in Muscoda, eat some squeaky cheese. Cheese curds, fresh, the bomb. Got my Muscoda Festival shirt. Time for pie. $40. Okay, we just got our blueberry and peach pie from Appalicious. Gots to have it. Oh yeah, looks good. Decent?
Best crust ever.
Yeah. Muscoda, even the trash cans have shrooms on them.